Hi everyone, welcome to our channel App Hacks. On today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can update the Facebook account center. But before guiding you through the steps, make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified about the further videos on this channel. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Firstly, you need to install and update the Facebook app from the App Store or Play Store to enjoy the latest features of the Facebook. So you need to open the Facebook and then you need to tap on the top right corner profile icon, tap on it. After that, you need to tap on gear like icon near the search icon. You'll be access to this page where you need to tap on account center, and then you need to scroll down, and here on the bottom of the screen you can see accounts option. Tap on it. You will be access to this page where you need to tap on add accounts, and you need to tap on the continue. After that, you need to tap once again on the continue, and then you need to tap on yes, finish adding. Now you will see that you have already updated your Facebook account center. So this is it guys. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button. Thank you.